And I'm sitting right outside of Sugar Beach. Amanda, she wants to get some ice cream. So we will be back at you. I'm Cindy.
And I'm Chris.
And this is our family. All right, we're ready to get into Candy Beach. We're gonna go get some candy. Oh my gosh, this place smells amazing. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. I feel like I need a s'mores pillow. Oh, it is, it's so squishy.
It's so cute. There's a frog.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Donut.
So cute, so cute. Little toys. Candy toys, filled with candy. Well, you know what's funny about this is we brought some cute little ducks to hide, because everybody's doing cruising ducks these days, and I brought ducks filled with candy, and they look just like that, but they're little ducks. So cute. So they're actually hiding around the ship right now. So we'll see if anybody finds them. And speaking of all you cruising duckers, look at this. Look at them. Yellow crackers.
Mom, redo that.
Oh my gosh.
Redo that.
How fun. This place is so fun. Oh my gosh, though, look at this ice cream. Not yet. Thank you. We're gonna look around first, and then I think she wants to get some candy. And I'm not sure, maybe we'll get some ice cream too. Because why not? We're on vacation, right? How cute is this place? Hey, sugar. I was reading the sign. Okay. Amanda got a little concerned, especially since Dad's not on the cruise this week. Oh, a gummy egg. That looks like from,
Wonderful.
oh my gosh, that looks like what they put on my plate at Wonderland. I got what's called chicken and egg in Wonderland, and it came with a little egg that looked just like that. The only thing is, if that egg was on my plate, it would have been amazing. I don't know what, oh, it was cauliflower. It was a cauliflower egg that they put on there. It was really not very good. Although somebody else might like it, but I did not. Look who just showed up.
It's Austin.
Oh, Austin heard candy and ice cream. He's like, oh, let me run from the other side of the ship because it's party time in the candy store.
Oh yeah. We get a candy bag. 93 cents per ounce.
Woo! All right.
I don't know how much that is going to.
Yeah, just be super careful when you pull that stuff. Otherwise, you're gonna be getting a lot of extra candy in your bag, and extra candy in the bag. Yeah, they're not gonna want extra candy in their bag. Come on. Jelly, very cherries. All right.
Gummy ice cream cone?
Moving and cruising. What are we getting?
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna get some.
Oh, Reese's Pieces. How did I know? Hey, just be careful because when you pull the lever, it's going to come super fast.
There you go. Perfect.
Just like that. Gummy shark. Do, 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 do,
It's stuck.
Oh, he's stuck. He's like, no, don't take me.
I like gummy sharks.
Gummy Sour Patch. What are you looking for?
I'm gonna have to grab some Sour Patch.
Ooh, right above where Amanda's at. All right. Is there anything else? Oh, there's some over here. I'll send you that. Oh, you don't even have to wait for her.
Oh, right there.
Right here. Good. There you go.
¿Quieres algo más?
No.
¿Segura?
Do you need help or you got it?
There you go.
It's a little tricky. All right, just pull slow because it's going to come fast. There you go.
Some gummy eggs. It's stuck.
All right, well then you don't have to worry about it coming too fast.
I'll go up with the other one.
Yep, there you go.
Different kind. Cherries. Don't know what that is. I'll try it.
Very cool.
Oh,
Oh, stuck again. You know what? You've got two more options, I feel like. Because if you cruise to the other side of the store, there is
they've got
another section. And I bet we're going to go find some Sour Patch. Let's see. You see Sour Patch? Oh, I see at least one Sour Patch option over here.
Oh, baby. Wait, no, that's not.
What is it?
Sour Patch. There we go.
Oh, there you go. Ooh, these guys are ready to come out, so I would go
Oh, yeah.
so slow. they stuck too?
No, look at that. Please tell me these aren't stuck.
Oh, there you go.
Amanda,
You got more than you bargained for.
all the sour powder tells me that. Almost out the sour.
Wow, that looks really good actually. I don't know what that is. I've never had this.
I'm gonna grab
What is that?
yogurt covered pretzels. Why not?
Hey, Austin, why don't you try? Here, put your bag under here. I want to try one of these.
One of them?
Yeah, I want to try that. I'm curious as to what it is.
Get one. They're not coming out. Oh wait, there you go.
All right, I'm gonna try a little bit more than one,
I want to try
but
yogurt covered pretzels.
yeah, I don't know that I would do that. It might be stale.
That's true. You're
Yeah.
right. See anything on the bottom? Do they have gummy worms?
Gummy worms? I didn't see that. I've seen gummy everything.
Yeah.
Gummy starfish.
There's gummy worms on the other side.
Tropical starfish. These are cute. Look how cute. I've never seen these before.
I'm gonna see if this one works better.
Look at that. Look at all these starfish. So cute.
Okay.
Oh, and gummy cherries. Oh my gosh, gummy ice cream cones. Guys, there's everything in here. You're getting taco at an ice cream place, Austin?
It's a taco cone. It's like a cone in the shape of a taco.
Wow. What are you going to get on it?
I'm gonna get cookies and cream ice cream. And I don't know what I'm gonna get over here. Probably this.
Oh, Reese's Pieces. That's a surprise.
Alright.
What do you think, Austin?
I think it's amazing. 3 scoops of Oreo ice cream, whipped cream, Reese's Pieces, caramel sauce, and 2 cones. Shaped like a taco.
Look at that. All right. Candy makes everything better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And this place is so adorable. Sugar Beach, guys. You gotta try it.
Hi guys, I hope you liked our video. If you did, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and hitting the notification bell. And make sure you share this video with your friends because it helps out a ton and it keeps the algorithm happy. Bye!